This is Pleurobot. Pleurobot is a robot that we designed to closely mimic a salamander species called Pleurodel swelt. Pleurobot can walk, as you can see here, and as you will see later, it can also swim. So you might ask, why did we design this robot? And in fact, this robot has been designed as a scientific tool for neuroscience. Indeed, we designed it together with neurobiologists to understand how animals move. And especially how the spinal cord controls locomotion. Because the more I work in biorobotics, the more I'm really impressed by animal locomotion. If you think of a dolphin swimming, or a cat running or jumping around, or even us as humans, when you go jogging or if you play tennis, we do amazing things. And in fact, our nervous system solves a very, very complex control problem. It has to coordinate more or less 200 muscles perfectly. Because if the coordination is bad, we fall over or we do bad locomotion. And my goal is to understand how this works. There are four main components behind animal locomotion. The first component is just the body. And in fact, we should never underestimate to what extent the biomechanics already simplify locomotion in animals. Then you have the spinal cord, and in the spinal cord you find reflexes. There are multiple reflexes that create sensory-motor coordination loop between neural activity in the spinal cord and mechanical activity. A third component are central pattern generators. These are very interesting circuits in the spinal cord of vertebrate animals that can generate by themselves very coordinated rhythmic patterns of activity while receiving only very simple input signals. And these input signals come from descending modulation from higher parts of the brain. Like the motor cortex, the cerebellum, the basal ganglia will all modulate activity of the spinal cord while we do locomotion.